Welcome back to Mike's Yoga channel and welcome to this Yin Yoga for athletes focusing on the neck and the shoulders. When you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin by coming into a seated position with one leg in front of the other. It doesn't matter which leg. And we're going to begin with some neck tilts. So let's start by tilting our neck to our right. And from here, let's walk our left hand out beside us. So feeling a nice stretch in the left side of the neck here. Your right hand can just rest on your right leg. Feel free to close your eyes and just come back to your breath. Breathing into that neck. And exhale, come back to center very mindfully. And then from here, just take it over to the other side. So tilting your head to the left, walking that right hand out beside you, feeling a nice stretch in the right side of the neck here. Exhale, mindfully come back to center. Great job, you guys. From here, let's make our way into an extended child's pose. So take your time getting there. Let's bring our knees as wide as the mat, letting the big toes touch behind you. And from here, just start to walk your hands along in front of you. Awesome stretch for the shoulders here. And from here, you can just let your forehead rest in the mat. Another option with your hands, if you don't want them extended along in front of you, is to bring them up into a prayer position up overhead. Wherever you are, just come back to your breath. next exhale, mindfully release. From here, let's come forward onto our stomachs, and we'll take a Sphinx pose here. So let's stack our elbows right underneath our shoulders, our forearms are right out in front of us. Keeping the eyes closed here, just come back to your breath, breathing into the back body. And on your next exhale, mindfully release. From here, let's make our way up into all fours. Again, take your time getting there. So coming into all fours, we're going to do thread the needle pose here. So stacking the knees right underneath the hips, tops of the feet are actively pushing into the mat here. And with our left hand, let's place it in the center of our mat. And from here, reach our right arm up. And on your next exhale, thread that right arm underneath the left, bringing your right shoulder, right ear to the mat. And on your next exhale, slowly release. Come back to all fours. And when you're ready, we'll just take it over to the other side. So this time planting our right hand in the center of our mats. And then from here on your next inhale, reach that left arm up. Exhale, thread that left arm underneath, bringing that left shoulder, left ear to the mat. Nice exhale, slowly release. Awesome job, you guys. From here, let's make our way onto our backs, coming into our final pose, Shavasana. So extending the legs out long, extending the arms out long, taking up some space. Again, close your eyes here. Letting the body and the mind reap all the benefits from this practice. I encourage you to stay here for as long as you like, or if you're ready to go, we can rock back up into a seated position of your choice. And wherever you are, let's bring your hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for sharing your time and your energy with me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. From here, let's bring our hands up to our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.